Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kiara. So today we're gonna do basically my favorite brushes. Okay, every brush that you see me use for my eyeshadow in my tutorials, we're gonna go over all those today, and I have them right here in my hand. Okay, so these is about 8-9 brushes. All right, these are my go-to brushes. Been using these probably over a year now, and I'm pretty sure they work for every eye type. Okay, so I have hoodie lids, and my eyes are kind of like small to medium size, but they'll still work for you too. Okay, so this is the look I created. It turned out really cute, real simple. Used one palette. I used the Raine Juicy Boost palette. Yeah, and it also has some Raine brushes here along with some other brands. Right, all affordable though. All right, I got you. So if you want to see how I got this look and all the brushes I used, okay, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and leave a comment. So the first brush we're going to start off with is my eyeshadow primer brush. Now for this, you can use any round blending brush, simply because the two brushes that I use are unavailable. So you can just get any blending brush that's round and kind of stiff, and it'd be perfect for this. Next, we're going to go into the brush I use for my transition color, which is the Morphe 510. Yeah, see me use this brush in every single tutorial. It's just perfect to put your transition color down, your base color, whatever the case may be. It fits across your whole eye. It blends out really good. You don't have to do anything extra, right? And next, we're going to go into the Raine large blending brush. Now, I love this brush to put down my main color. So I always use three shades in my eye, including my transition color, which I really don't count because you really never see it, honestly. It's like just there. But anyways, this brush is perfect for applying that first color. It's going to get all over your eye. It's going to blend it out. Right, pack a lot of color. Next, we're going to go into the medium blending brush from Raine. Same thing, but this one is just a little looser, so to say. The first one was really firm, but this one is really loose. So it's going to get right in your crease, depending on your eye shape. I like to use 2 brushes for mine. Right. As you see, I'm just going back and forth, and then I'm going back with the first large shadow brush just to blend out that second color that I put in my crease. So I do a lot of back and forth between these 2 brushes. And the final brush for my crease, I'm going to use the small blending brush. So with my looks, I like to define my crease a lot. So I would always take a darker shade and go right in my crease and build it up as much as I want. And this brush is perfect for that. And these are all 3 brushes that I used. Moving on to my lid. So this is the Real Techniques base shadow brush. I always, for probably the last year or so, I hate doing cut creases. It just takes way too much work. All right. So what I have discovered is one day I'm like, I don't know, let me try this. Took this brush, applied my whatever base I was using for my lid, and just packed it around my lid. And with that, I got the illusion of a fake cut crease. So if you know where your crease is already at, this will be very easy for you. Just take that brush and just pat it around. You don't have to go fast, but go slow. Take your time. Make sure you don't go above your crease, and you'll basically have a cut crease without doing all that extra work. Yeah. Next, I'm going back in with that small blending brush, and I'm just taking this to smoke out my outer corner per usual. Next, we're going to go in with the Morphe 167. This is just a flat shadow packing brush. Yeah, that's simply all all this is. It's nothing special, just a flat brush to pack on your lid color, and that is all. Next, I'm going to go in with the Scratchedbykat Precision Blender Brush. Now, this is a new brush, but I really love it because I always do a second color after I smoke out my outer corner just to blend out the edges, if that makes sense. And I always use a lighter color to do so. Next, I'm going to go in with the Morphe 506. So, yeah, I know I always do a inner corner highlight. And this is the brush I use. Well, this is an alternative, actually, because the brush I'm actually using is no longer available. So, Morphe has one just like it and does the same thing. So, for the last two brushes, you can use them for the same effect. And right now, I'm just taking a loose pigment. Sometimes I put a loose pigment in just to give a little sparkle. And this is the finished look. And if you liked it, you learned something, don't forget to give me a like, comment, and share.